Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Logitech G735 with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and then go to Bluetooth. Now press power button for at least 3 seconds to turn on your headphones. And after that, press and hold Bluetooth button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. We can see this voice prompt and we can see this blinking, so it means it's entering to pairing mode. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!